Welcome to Malaga. This vibrant city on Spain's Costa del Sol is packed with history, culture, and incredible food. In today's vlog, we're exploring everything from its charming old town and stunning viewpoints to delicious tapas and hidden gems you won't want to miss. Come along as we discover what makes Malaga the perfect mix of relaxation and adventure.
We started our morning with some amazing breakfast. I got a croissant with jamón ibérico and this amazing cheese. I forgot what it's called. Guy got a tostada, which is basically a piece of bread with tomato and olive oil. So the morning has been great. We are gonna do many things today. We're gonna show you guys what you can do in a day out in Malaga, and you don't wanna miss any of it, so stay tuned. Our first stop, by the way, is this cathedral. It's the main cathedral here in Malaga, and it is so gorgeous. It is so big, and you can go inside. I believe you have to book a ticket online if you want to check it out, or if you want to check it out for free. I recommend going to Mass. They have Masses every day during the week, Saturdays and Sundays as well.
So the first thing we're going to try to do is go up to the castle that's on the top of the hill. Really nice views over the whole of Malaga, and you can see the sea and everything. But I think it's a bit of a climb to get up there. We're in the center. It only says about 25 minutes to get up to the castle, but it's all going to be uphill, so it might be a bit challenging. But we're going to do it early since it's not that hot now, so before it gets really hot in the afternoon. And yeah, we're going to see the view, and hopefully it's going to be nice.
Hola.
Hola guapa, ¿qué tal?
¿Me da una bolsa de estas, por favor?
Una bolsita azul.
Sí, sí.
Dulce, muy bien. Gracias guapa.
Gracias. So I got these almonds, and they have like this sugar cinnamon coating. I think it has cinnamon. These like nice candied almonds. They're so good. I love these. €2 and so worth it.
Okay, so this route is actually getting really steep. We're at a really difficult bit with lots of tight turns. But the views are already so good. You can see like the bullfighting pit over there and the sea. I think it's worth the climb so far, but we've still got quite a bit to do. Okay, so we made it to the top. It was a bit of a challenge. It took us about 30 minutes, but we're at the top.
So apparently Sundays, which is today, you can get free admission starting at 2 p.m. It's only 1. I don't know that we want to wait an hour.
Okay, so we decided we're going to wait for an hour, because what's the point in paying €14 total when it's free in an hour?
We made it inside and didn't pay a penny, and honestly, I think it's worth it. We waited for about an hour, but it was nice to sit in the shade, drink some water, and just people watch for a little bit.
We made it up to Castillo de Gibralfaro, a fortress built in the 14th century to protect the Alcazaba just below. It's one of Malaga's most iconic landmarks, and from up here you get sweeping views of the city and the port, and even the mountains in the distance.
Okay, we came down the hill and we're going to go in the other free museum, which is the Alcazaba. So the entrance is here. Don't really know what it is, but apparently there's just like some ruins inside. It's on the hill, so there's lots of these old walls. So maybe it could be quite fun to walk around and see what's going on. Apparently it's meant to be free again from 2 p.m. on Sundays, so hopefully we don't have to pay to go in and we can just have a quick look.
Look at the spread, guys. Patatas bravas, sangria, skewers, bread, and that's not all. We're still waiting for more food. That's good. That's really good. All right, we finished our ice cream and we decided to come to the beach because it is perfect weather for the beach. It is packed, but we also came prepared and we brought our swimsuits. So we might spend the next hour or two here before we go out back to the center for some dinner. After the beach, we came back to the center to grab some drinks and finish our night off.
Some sangria,
We got some sangria.
huge jug,
Look at this.
with this huge wooden spoon to mix it all around.
This little area. It's right in the center, has loads of restaurants, bars, you name it, it's here. And it's just like the perfect place to go to for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We literally had breakfast there, lunch over there, and now we're, having a drink here.
They gave us olives with a sangria, and they are some of the nicest olives I think I've ever had. They're just so soft, tasty. I don't know what they're like seasoned with, but it feels like there's a bit of something in there.
I don't like olives, but I trust his
Try
judgment.
one.
I have tried olives before,
I
and I
haven't
don't
tried
like
the best olive ever. You should try
I
it.
know I'm not gonna like it.
Try.
I,
there's a pip in
I don't
it.
like the smell.
So fussy.
It's been so much fun. We hope you guys got to see what you guys can get up to if you come to Malaga for a day. And hopefully you found our little vlog helpful. So we are going to end it here. Thank you guys for joining us, and we will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Cheers.